the power bank, we will need a motherboard, a power bank motherboard, 3 batteries. You can use more batteries or less batteries, it's your choice, and of course a box or enclosure. I will set all the components in this box fixedly. Okay, now I will show you how to make the power bank. I got the battery and now I will check each battery's voltage. Now I will solder the wire. The all red wire will solder together. Okay, now I have soldered the 3 battery wires together, the plus terminal and the minus terminal, and my per battery's ampere is 6003 and total is 18 ampere. Okay, now I will solder the plus terminal of the motherboard to battery plus and the minus terminal of the battery to motherboard minus. And you can see the charge is showing full, but before plugging to your phone, you have to charge them for 2 hours. And my power bank is done, and I will take the enclosure and set up the thing to the enclosure. My power bank is ready. Here it is. Now I will put a test on the power bank, and this is my power bank and this is my mobile. Now I will charge it up. Now I am connecting and I have connected the one side of the charger, and 1 2 3, and this is charging. You can clearly see that, and it's charging. You can charge 2 phones with this power bank. I am showing you another phone. I have no smartphone, because of that I will show the testing with this phone, and I have connected the phone, and 1 2 3, and you can clearly see that both phones are charging. And now you can guess that the power bank is super powerful. And this is not, of course, fake. This is the whole wire. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel for upcoming new videos. Thanks.